Did you know that the first steps of every programmer, whether they're writing software for computers, building mobile apps, or programming microcontrollers in cars, are often the same? No matter how complex the technology becomes, it starts simply with "Hello World."
Let's begin. Open your favorite text editor or IDE. In this case, I'll be using an online compiler. Online compiler is convenient because it requires no installation and lets you quickly experiment with code. Here on right side, it is needed to choose language. We will choose C language. It is already given sample code Hello World. Hello World is a traditional first program that programmers write when learning a new language. The idea is simple. It prints the message Hello World on the screen. While it may seem basic, this program introduces us to key concepts in C++. To execute the code, click the Run button. The result of the execution will be displayed here. Let's modify the code to make it more complex. We will declare a variable with a length of 50 characters. Print a message to the console to guide the user. Then, use Scanf to take input from the user. Finally, print a message to the console that includes the entered name. Notice that \n in the printf function moves the cursor to a new line. Now it's time to test. Click the Run button. Enter a name, and check the final message. You'll see that %s in the printf function is used to print the string from the variable specified as the last parameter in the parentheses. Now let's delete this code and write it in C++ style. You will see it is very similar. In the top right corner, select C++17 for the language. In addition to the stdioh library, which includes printf and scanf functions, we will now include the string library. Declare a string variable named name. In C++, std string is a type that belongs to the standard namespace, std. Namespaces in C++ are used to avoid naming collisions and to organize code more effectively. The cout command is used to print messages to the console. And endl is used to move the cursor to a new line. The cin command is used to take input from the user and store it in the specified variable. For that, we need to include the iostream library. Finally, prepare the last message and test our program to see the output on the console. Thanks for joining me on this introduction to C and C++. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these languages and explore their many powerful features in upcoming videos. See you in the next one!